Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com, and in today's video I want to show you how to deassemble your crankset. This is practical for in case of you ordered, for example, an 155, but you better fit in an 140 or other way around. So that's I show you today. So for this one you need an imbus, let me see, 5 and an imbus 10. I have here with a meter, but that you don't need to. So come closer. Okay, first you untied this screw. So. So you can see a lot of glue remains. This you need to put also again back on, but I will show you. Yeah. So if you untie that screw and this screw, you can take cranks off. The other side, it's always good to first take the chain off. And then you can push it out. If that goes a little bit heavy, what often happens, you hammer it a bit with a nylon hammer, rubber hammer. Now you have taken out the cranks, you can replace it. Of course you take off the chain ring and replace the cranks, but I have another video about it. Now I show you how to put it back. Before you put it back everything, check if there is a bushie between these two bearings. This is to keep these bearings on a requested length. Also, I almost forgot to show you, there is a little spacer here to have enough distance. So now we have it pushed back. Of course you put the cranks exactly on the opposite direction. In the beginning of my career I made the mistake, actually that's almost impossible anymore in this type. No, that's impossible what I wanted to tell, but it was possible previous with other systems to put the crank a little bit like this, and that's quite annoying. Put enough Loctite on it. This is a bit, yeah, this is more than enough. Put it in here. So I put it in here. Let me see. So if you did not have a bushie between the two bearings, you pull this screw a little bit until you feel there is no play anymore, and it turns still very easy. So we tied it with 7 Newton, and then you can tie this one still a little bit on in order it push it helps. But because we made a bushy between, you can tie it on a different way. Because we noticed that people tied this one too much, and then the bearings were... So the central screw, I tied it with 30 Newton meter. So that's about 3 kilo by 1 meter. So if you would have a lever of like a 30 centimeter, that would be about 9 kilo force I use. So you have to see how long your lever is and then estimate the force you put on it. So the second screw I tied, and that one I tied about 7 Newton. So that means 600 grams on a lever from a meter. So that will be, again, you do the mathematics and you will know. Okay. So that's the way how to change the standard crankset. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe, let a comment behind, and see you next time. Bye bye.